How to add a second bank account to Apple Pay. Here's how to add another bank link card to your Apple Wallet so you can pay with either one anytime. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your cards and passes for Apple Pay are stored. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This starts the process to add a new card. Step 3. Select debit or credit card when prompted. Apple Pay doesn't link bank accounts directly. It connects through bank-issued cards. Step 4. Choose to scan the card using your camera or enter the card details manually. Make sure your card is valid and supported by Apple Pay. Step 5. Complete your bank's verification steps. This could involve a text code, app confirmation, or call depending on your bank. Step 6. Once verified, your second card will be added to your wallet. You can now choose between cards when making Apple Pay purchases. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.